On the brink of the Easter holiday season, award-winning gospel artist Kevin Downswell has released a brand new single titled Grace. In announcing the track, Kevin stated that he is dedicating this song to every man, woman, boy, and girl who is still here today only by his grace. Grace is produced by Lamar Riffraff Brown. Kevin recently inked a deal with global Christian music giants Integrity Music. The artist is known for his many hits like You Make Me Stronger, Carry Me, and If It's Not You, among others. Now, dancehall artist Jamil is trending with the release of his title track from the upcoming album dubbed Legend. The track features dancehall artist Massacre, who is currently trending number 9 on the streaming platform YouTube. Legend has been getting rave reviews and fans are anticipating the release of the album. The great man recently shared the cover art and track list for the project, which is slated for release on Friday. Legend is produced executively by Sweet Music record label and will feature guest appearances from dancehall artist Version on track, 7 Times Rise, Reggae artist Bugle on Africa, and Ghanaian star Stoneboy on Beautiful. The project is a follow-up to his revamp EP released in June 2020 and his debut album Great Man released back in 2019. Music legends Beres Hammond and Charlie Wilson have joined forces at the Harmony House studio to lay tracks for an upcoming collaboration. Now, the collaboration has been in the talks for a few years. However, promoter Sean Cigar Baptiste had to put things in motion for the collab to happen right now.
Charlie Wilson is the greatest R&B singer that ever lived, and Beres Hammond is the greatest reggae legend that ever lived. I say, you know something, I'm going to put the two of them together and I'm going to let them shout it to the universe.
Charlie Wilson is excited to be in Jamaica to work with the reggae rocksteady legend Beres Hammond.
I've been working on this for 5 years. And just to get in the man's presence, just we be together and try to come up with something. 5 years we've been working on this.
Hammond also spoke about Charlie's amazing vocals and how grateful he is that he is here to work with him in the studio.
This is a blessed moment for me. It's a different, a next step in my life to be able to sing a note alongside this old legend here.
Now, Saturday night, all roads lead to Fame Frequency Kulafet. The event will feature music from Arif Super Cooper, DJ Roderick, and a special surprise hits horrific DJ. 18 years and older guests are invited to party with us. Bring your Smirnoff vodka or six-pack, your igloo coolers, and come party with us on the roof at RJR Sports Club 32 Lindis Road. To RSVP for a guest list, head over to RETV or Fame 95 FM on Instagram and send your names to our direct message. I'm Date Ryan Gordon reporting for ePrime.